slow, a man with balloons that dance and glow. His cart is filled with colors bright, the red, blue, yellow, a cheerful sight. He stops by parks where children play, their faces light as he makes his way. Which one do you want, he kindly asks, and in his cart the magic basks. First a red one, bright like flame, the boy holds tight, whispers its name. Then comes blue like skies above, a girl picks one with eyes of love. White like clouds, it floats on air, another child jumps without a care. Black as night, a mystery, a curious hand sets it free. Yellow shines like golden rays, kids run around in endless plays. Purple's deep, a royal hue, a quiet joy in hands so new. Green like grass on summer days, a peaceful breeze as laughter sways. Brown and orange, soft and sweet, they chase their dreams on dancing feet. Street by street, he makes his rounds, balloons in colors that know no bounds. The kids all giggle, run and cheer as the balloon man brings joy near. Through every corner, lane and town, with every color up or down, the man with balloons, he never tires. He's spreading joy like flickering fires. And when the day